Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. Previously, we have created one of the scanner inverted hammer at the top level. So we find some stocks like sale, inverted hammer which happened here, and something which happened about to the 50 period EMA. Okay, so that is what the scanner which you have created recently based on our um, um, request, like trend reversal scanner. Okay, let me open a charting. So we previously created and we find some stocks that was giving you some good result, and someone who asking about the same reversal for a bullish opportunity, but we are using for a trend reversal, but here it is given in the reversal. Now it is on the same price. So exactly we are looking for the scanner, the stock scanners to find the stocks which forming such a pattern at the highest level. Okay, so this is not the highest level. We are looking for the highest level should be the wick. Okay, same like that, which we are going to look for an hammer below 50 moving average with the lowest level, and that I am just going to create for a trend reversal at after the downtrend or such a kind of thing, but that should be happen below to the 50 EMA period. So let me try to open our charting first. Just starting my just trying to log in my account. What's happening? Yeah. Mhm. We started Camarilla breakout. So maybe we created a scanner. So let me try to open my account. Such a thing which I'm just created, and I'm just going to create one more thing. So where we created, ah, so this is what a scanner which you have created. So based on our options. Okay. So let me try to do it. Ah, okay. So here is the scanner which you have created recently based to find out a inverted hammer at the top level. So maximum 20 period high. So we got some stocks based on this particular scanner. We discussed more about the scanner. So at this time, so recently we find Eicher Motor, Jindal Steel. So let me check what happened. Eicher Motor, Jindal Steel. Yeah, here maybe it is a stop loss kind of trade. So this is what is very important. Even the stock which triggers our stop loss initially, that is what an breakdown. So which you are looking for a trend reversal. So what is the risk which you are taken about the candle is 102%, and it came down to 1.8%, and now it is today it triggers our stop loss. But still, it triggers our stop loss. The stock would be listed on the scanner. So means it is not repaint. So that is very important conditions. If you are any scanner which repaints, it's showing you only the profitable trades. So that is very important. So maybe Jindal Steel is another one. So whether what is happening based on the concept, whether it is stop loss or target. Yeah, this is also be a stop loss trade, no worry. So here, this is what a particular candle which you are looking for in exactly at the highest level. Such a thing which forms at the top, and we find out a opportunity, but it was triggers our stop loss. So but now what I'm just going for an Apollo hospital, where I'm just going to find out such a pattern. So here where you can see that was happening on the lowest level. So it's such a kind of thing which we are going to create. So how we are going to create the hammer at the bottom, and one more thing, here is the bottom. So yesterday, so that was giving us some good move in this trade, but here we are maybe a positional, so not for an intraday. So let me try to create some scanners based on the list. Okay, so already we made a customized indicators, which we have already having the customized scanner that will help us to find out stocks which forming a such a pattern. So we are going to use a 50 period. In this case, here we are talking about 50 period EMA. Okay, so let me create a scan. I'm just going to futures, and in this case, hammer is a different one. So open minus, sorry, I minus open. So this may be the condition on the candle. It must be number. It's a conditions for the scanner. Okay, so it must be less than. Okay, not less than equal to. It must be less than open minus low. Okay, so another condition is we have already created the range of that particular stocks or range condition. Range multiplied by number 0.4. It must be greater than, because we are comparing so many conditions here. So it is not possible candle size. Okay, so this will fetch you a stock, for example, Asian Paint today and Tata Chemicals. So maybe forming a hammer, Asian Paint, yeah, perfectly hammer, and Tata Chemical, maybe a hammer candle. Yeah, you can see the hammer candle, but I want a green hammer candle, so I don't want a red hammer candle. So simply the closing price must be greater than the open price, then it will be fetching only green hammer stocks. Okay, so we had so only two stocks, chamber fertilizer and Motherson Sumi. So let me check chamber fertilizer, where it is hammer. Yeah, perfectly it is a hammer. And another one, based on that we are filtering out Motherson Sumi. So we got initially a lot of stocks by using this filter. This is also be a hammer. So now what we are going to do, and this must be less than the 50 period EMA. Okay. So let me try to create, it must be less than the 50 period EMA. So the high of that particular candle must be less than, okay, so EMA exponential moving average 50. If I'm using, so we will be finding no stocks, but if I will save the scan, we may be getting some stocks. Maybe that will be shared on our premium group. So maybe in the evening or the tomorrow. Okay, so we find a very few number of stocks. I think yesterday very huge number. So HDFC Life, Bank of Baroda, LTI Mindtree. So LTI Mindtree. Yesterday is a hammer. Okay, at the lowest level. Bank Baroda. That is also be a hammer below to the moving arrow. So what exactly I'm looking for? So here is the candle which is happening below, and there is a good movement. Same like that, I'm just expecting a stock which forming a moving average below, that may be giving you some good movement which I'm expecting. So that's why the scanner. And one more condition which you can filter out, the low must be maximum. The low of that particular day, the minimum must be equal to minimum duration should be 20 period, low minus 1 day ago. So by this conditions we are creating a scanner for hammer. What is happening here? In our stocks, yeah. So I think 1 day ago, not 1 day ago. So see, okay. So that would be save, scan, and submit. Yeah, here very few number of stocks. Maybe here at this point March 20, Dabur, Kankar, and Granulars. Maybe a back test. Dabur. Here is the point where we got an opportunity in Dabur, so exactly at the lower level, and from that we have an opportunity that was testing towards nearby the moving average. Okay, that one is right. So whether our stock satisfying our conditions or not based on this Kankar and Granules. Already Dabur we seen, Container Corporation, that was a great one. So on the day where it is forming, and the low of that particular candle is the least comparing to the last 20 days, that was the condition where we mentioned, and that was giving you such a good result. And finally we are looking at one more stock is uh, Granules. I hope you understood, and yeah, this is also be a moving one. So that is what an exactly opposite condition which you are recently created a scanner. So maybe you may be having some logic So you can utilize, and this is what a condition, and this will be shared on our group. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.